Hello parents, welcome to 5th grade math for face-to-face learners. Our workshop model looks exactly the same as the virtual academy students. We spend about 5 minutes at the beginning doing number talks. We move into our mini lesson for 15 to 20 minutes and then they spend 50 minutes in small groups and stations. And at the bottom of the screen you can see what they are learning in each cluster during our year. So we start off math with a number talk. This is a quick practice of a math skill. It might be a skill that we're currently working on, or it could be a skill that we've already taught. This helps them build number sense, gets them thinking about math, and just gets their brains going for the beginning of the math block. So they are given a problem, they will solve the problem on their desk, or they can do mental math and they can share strategies with each other. So they have an opportunity to see how other people may have solved the problem. So, and then they just follow along as we go through the problem. After that 5-minute number talk, we move into a mini lesson. This is where we are delivering critical information and they're introduced to new concepts. We start off with a problem that the teacher solves, and during this time, they are writing down any strategies that would be used to solve the problem. They then get an opportunity to work a problem all together. So we put in a second problem up there and they can practice that new content. And then third, they will receive a problem that they can glue down in their journal and they can practice with a partner. So they should be writing all of the strategies in their journal and participating in solving the problems and working with their partner. And then they have that problem glued in their journal so they have an example of the problems. Once they're done with the mini lesson, we will move into exit tickets. So each student receives an exit ticket, and this is a quick snapshot of how they understand the concept. This is done individually, and it helps the teachers gauge who needs some extra help and who has mastered the skill and is ready for some challenges. This is also used to help us form our small groups for the week. So the expectation is that they are doing this right after the mini lesson. They're showing all of their work. There's no mental math on the exit tickets. That way we can see if there's any misconceptions or any strategies that they're using to solve it. And so we will collect those immediately after they are done. Once we collect all of the exit tickets, the teachers move into small group teaching. So this is an extension of the mini lesson, and it's an opportunity for them to practice skills with the teacher. And this is critical for those kids that have some misconceptions or need some extra help on the skill. It's also an opportunity to challenge those who have already mastered the skill, and an opportunity for them to ask questions and clarify any confusion they may have. So they should be actively participating with the teacher and asking questions when needed. While the teacher's in small groups, the rest of the students are in stations. So this is an opportunity for them to practice current skills as well as skills we've already taught. They have choice boards, they have Imagine Math, they have problem solving, they have something called math times. They have different activities during stations that they will complete throughout the week. It's an opportunity for them to build problem-solving skills. They can work with others in the class and get coaching from others in the class. And it's just, they complete all of this work in their math work journal, and we occasionally take grades on their station activities. So that is it for our math block. And please write down any questions that you have, and we look forward to seeing you next week during our live Zoom Q&A. Thank you.